This episode of the Weekly Iron is brought to you by Manitou and its entirely new lineup of large frame skid steers and CTLs. Learn more at manitou.com. Welcome to the Weekly Iron for Friday, September 26th. The Historical Construction Equipment Association has opened up a brand new facility in Bowling Green, Ohio. The new facility is 20,000 square feet, more than tripling its current size, and features more than 200 historical construction machines. Kobelco has announced that it will now offer Trimble 2D grade control systems on its line of excavators through certified dealers throughout North America. This will make adding the technology easier, simplify payment structures, and improve access to training and resources, and make it easier for contractors to upgrade to 3D technology when they're ready. And finally today, a new product news. Caterpillar has introduced 4 new articulated dump trucks: the 725, the 730, the 730EJ, and the 735. The 730EJ does not stand for extra juicy, it stands for ejector, and the total range offers operating capacities from 26.5 up to 35.3 tons. Have a great weekend. We'll see you next week on the Weekly Iron.